Says why obviously he's going there. Because jump and do that. And they move right in front of your tent. Look at this. This puppy is right instead. Boopy boopy boop. And this puppy going to get picked up. This puppy is maybe going to get picked up. So it might be that this puppy is going to see what is not going. I'm going to put him on myself. Like this. See? I'm putting him on myself. Look, he's on me. And I'm going to put him in a simple place. It is called the upside down place. Happy, happy. So this is the what's here than this. I was going to say people. And this one is literally staring at me.